Thank you to our site visitors today. We'll have the opportunity to see the facilities here in Philadelphia, but we wanted to showcase our collaborative site in Atlanta as well. The Atlanta VA Research Program is led by Drs. Michael Hart and Ashley Scales, the ACOS and Director of Research Operations, respectively. At the Atlanta VA, we currently have 466 active projects, 665 personnel, and $30 million of funding in 2022, and this funding supports 130 active investigators. Here is a snapshot of most of the 130 investigators, displaying a diverse group from all backgrounds, areas of expertise, and disciplines. In addition to these investigators, we have Favor, the nonprofit foundation that increases our collaborations and partnerships to advance VA research goals. There's also the CVNR, or Center for Visual and Neurocognitive Rehabilitation, and we've already begun interactions with the CVNR, including a meeting with Joe Nocera, the acting CVNR director, and we've received many opportunities to collaborate between CREATE and the CVNR. I wanted to also take this opportunity to highlight some of the facilities and equipment at the Atlanta VA. We recently acquired a confocal microscope and are in the process of adding multiphoton capability to this microscope. We also have a multiplex protein and gene expression Luminex system, as well as multiple multi-axis mechanical testing machines. Here are examples of data sets that are obtained from these pieces of equipment, and in addition to these equipment, the center would enable us to purchase a BioX6 3D bioprinter for construct fabrication. In addition to the equipment, we're also well equipped in terms of our animal facilities, which contains an large animal OR with 2 operating tables, an in vivo micro-CT for longitudinal imaging of, let's say, bone formation, as well as a robust gait, function, and pain lab led by Dr. Jared Kaiser to evaluate some of our therapies in these rodent models. In addition to the facilities at the Atlanta VA Medical Center, we can also utilize facilities at Emory, specifically in the Department of Orthopedics. At the Emory Musculoskeletal Institute, which opened in late 2021, there are 5 floors of clinical space, including 6 operating rooms and a physical therapy clinic. This physical therapy clinic could be easily utilized by veterans during the rehabilitation process. In addition to these 5 floors of clinical space, we also have a 6th floor that is dedicated primarily to basic biomedical research. Here's what the space looks like. It includes an open lab concept for encouraging collaborations between investigators. And this space also contains shared equipment and capabilities, including but not limited to molecular imaging, multi-scale biomechanics, live cell microscopy, a histology core, 3 tissue culture suites, and tissue banking. Also in the Department of Orthopedics is the Sports Performance and Research Center, or SPARC. Located next to the Atlanta Falcons practice facility, this really is a world-class applied research facility. Led by Dr. Greg Meyer, the center focuses on whole body biomechanics, which utilizes both markered and markerless tracking. The center also contains a capability for virtual reality, as well as fMRI for concussion science. The unique ability of this center to combine those biomechanics with this fMRI scanning enables us to visualize a patient's pain while loading is going on during scanning. These tools can be utilized by CREATE, with introduction of the markerless tracking system planned at both the Philadelphia and Atlanta VAs in year 1 of the CREATE. With that, I thank you for your attention, and please let us know if you have any questions regarding the Atlanta VA facilities.